updates coming in after the BJP released a video of the official CM residence. The Congress party has now hit out at the BJP. The Congress party saying, can the BJP release a video of the PM house? Listen in.
भारतीय जनता पार्टी हिसाब दे, हर जिले में करोड़ों की लागत से इनके कार्यालय जो बने हैं 5 स्टार होटल की तरह। भाजपा जवाब दे कि मैं कहना चाहता हूं कि जरा साहस दिखाए, प्रधानमंत्री निवास की भी फोटो जारी कर दे। भाजपा साहस दिखाए इसी के साथ कि जिस तरीके से इनका पार्टी कार्यालय में है उसकी फोटो जारी कर दे, तो कुल मिलाकर दोनों दोषी हैं। मैं इसके लिए दोनों की निंदा करता हूं।
Very interesting reaction that has come in from the Congress party that says and challenges the BJP to release the videos of the PM house. Tejasri is joining us on the broadcast. Tejasri, interestingly, Arvind Kejriwal has rejected an alliance with the Congress party in the Delhi Assembly elections, but the Congress party has come out in defense of the Aam Aadmi party, asking the BJP to instead release a video of the PM house.
Well, absolutely. You see, just ahead of the Delhi Assembly elections, this particular video that the BJP has released of the residence of former Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal, where he used to stay while he was the Chief Minister. This particular video will be a turning point because now BJP will be attacking Aam Aadmi Party, and in fact, as Mohit rightly pointed out, that not only just this, but you know, the kind of statements that BJP will be raising the questions that the kind of statements that Aam Aadmi Party was making before coming to power, that they will be living like an Aam Aadmi, and now this kind of video that has been released by the BJP of Chief Minister's residence, then this particular video will be very much contradictory to the kind of statements that were being made, number one. Number two, yes, there will be no alliance between Congress and Aam Aadmi Party. However, there were talks going on, but the talks failed, and in fact, Aam Aadmi Party made it very clear that they are going to independently fight elections, and that is why now Aam Aadmi Party has also released two, in fact, back-to-back list of the candidates as far as the Delhi Assembly elections are concerned. Number three, we'll have to wait so as to how Aam Aadmi Party responds to this particular video. And as far as this entire controversy of former Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal's residence is concerned, while he was Chief Minister and while he was staying in that particular residence, so at civil lines, so Aam Aadmi Party says that this particular residence does not belong to Arvind Kejriwal personally. It was the Chief Minister's residence, and whether, in fact, you know, if the Chief Minister is from the BJP or Aam Aadmi Party, no matter what, the Chief Minister will be staying in that particular residence. So Arvind Kejriwal has not built it in the personal capacity, but as the Chief Minister while he was the Chief Minister. So that was a clarification that came from Aam Aadmi Party, but now we'll have to see that what happens next. Important to keep an eye on the press conference that is going to be held at 12 afternoon today. And number four, in fact, if we talk about what Congress party is saying, so yes, now Congress, Congress party is, in fact, saying that now if BJP is releasing the video of former Chief Minister's residence, then also BJP should release the video of Prime Minister. In fact, you see, now Congress is, in fact, attacking the BJP for the kind of video that's being released and the kind of statements that the BJP is being making for Aam Aadmi Party. But interesting, we'll have to see that what
continues, but it will be interesting to see what the response of the Aam Aadmi Party will be on that, isn't it? Tejasri, we'll have to leave it at that. Thank you for joining us with those details.